The new Isuzu D-Max is the first pickup truck that ASEAN NCAP tested under the 2017 to 2020 protocol. The new Isuzu D-Max performed impressively to pass one of the most stringent standards in safety. And was awarded with 5-star ASEAN NCAP rating. Sit back and enjoy the drive. When it comes to performance, the Isuzu D-Max is tougher, stronger, and better than ever before. The all-new Isuzu D-Max sets a new standard of safety with the advanced driver assist system. A pre-crash safety system detects incoming obstacles, brakes the vehicle automatically. Even if an accident does occur, multi-collision brakes. With the class-leading stereo camera, the D-Max helps to control your cruising speed, better safety, and driving convenience, plus adjust your headlights automatically according to driving conditions. Now the intelligent driving system can support you and let you know you're drifting. It can also identify potential hazards in your blind spot area and detect incoming vehicles from rear surroundings. For parking, the reverse camera, front and rear parking sensors provide instantaneous feedback to detect approaching vehicles or pedestrians. For the ultimate protection, the Isuzu D-Max comes with 7 SRS airbags, and for that extra step in safety, the D-Max lights up your way to your front door.
The all-new Isuzu D-Max. Breaking boundaries.